So if you've only got 751 cameras here, over time, over like now and again, we could get like battery issues on them. Now, it just happens. It's just, there is all batteries, no matter how good they are, there is obviously the chance that the odd one is dud or whatnot on them. Now, we normally, obviously, if it's still on warranty, we'll just send out some free batteries. It's just as easy for everyone involved for us to send batteries out, as you have these 4 screws here, and inside here we just lithium cells, and they just pop out and then new ones pop in. So we'll just unspin these. You got your 4 screws, like so, and then this one needs a little bit further out. And then in here we have just got, you can hopefully see that here, 1, 2 batteries. So 1, 2, and these cells sit in the edge here like that. So these will come out and you just put the new ones in. Again, these are sealed, so you will just need to use either a flathead screwdriver or a sharp knife and just cut along the little gel strip there, because that is just making sure it holds in. And then these whole little clips will pull out and you plug the new ones in. So if you grab these, you can obviously give them a little cut. You can actually do it without even chopping the gel, but just slowly wiggle and pull. Chop the gel is always recommended on here. See, if I pull this out without chopping the gel, see it's a bit harder, but it still comes out. So you can see it there. So ideally just run as like a sharp knife just on both sides, and that'll cut that. Then obviously a new one will just plug straight back in like so, and push down, and you'll have your new batteries in there. So before you put it back together, obviously just push this button here, and I'll make sure you're getting some lights coming on here. But that is basically you just got these 2 cells in there. And then obviously put it back together, it just goes back together in reverse there. So do these 4 up, and it's fairly straightforward, and you'll have 2 new cells in there, 2 new lithium cells. Keep the camera running nicely. So 1, 2, 3, 4.